Well, that smoke means that they're boiling sap in the sugar house. 3 years ago, that wind was going the other way. This building wasn't there, but a 100-year-old barn was, and a spark from the wood stove over here burnt the barn down to the ground in 20 minutes. So how are the waffles?
Good.
How's the syrup?
Good.
See, I'm a pretty good cook.
Yeah.
And I can barely see you through the... There's the waffle cook. This is the evaporator. It removes the water from the sap. Some fresh syrup there. The water leaving the evaporator. Next load of wood to fire up the evaporator. My waffle is done. Sam's waffles. I'm getting ready to put maple syrup on it.
You gotta put it in here.
Okay, Sam's getting me some syrup. Oh, yum.
What you want?
Keep going.
Lots of it?
Yeah. That's good. Thank you.